Hi, my name is Michael De Toni, and I'm here today to present one of our most distinguished products, Marmorino Antico 300. In the past, Veneto painters and architects, such as Andrea Palladio and Tiepolo, created masterpieces famous throughout the world. Marmorino Antico is the finish coating that most draws on their artistic heritage. This product is made from lime putty and marble dust. In Venice, marble dust was the leftover of the working of Istrian stone, which was used to build many of the decorative elements that characterize the city. Marmorino is still widely used to finish prestigious architectures and historic buildings. Our Marmorino Antico is designed to carry out interior decoration that matches the original Venetian plaster. It is elegant and easy to spread. Marmorino Antico is applied in 2 coats, a simple finish that requires no additional products. The first coat should be applied by means of horizontal strokes on a base that has been adequately primed. When the product is about 75% dry, proceed with the second coat. The second coat is applied with horizontal strokes, just as with the first coat. But particular care should be taken to avoid overlapping the previous seams. After this, an optional finishing stage may follow. Once the wall has been completed, the burnishing may take place using a stainless steel trowel. It is important to make sure that the blade of the trowel is always clean and in perfect condition. When the wall is almost dry, burnishing may be repeated. If greater protection of the surface is required, we recommend applying a coat of natural beeswax, a completely natural and water-based wax. Marmorino Antico comes as a white base, which can be dyed with Luxury&LIME range of natural dyes. It is also available in 4 different versions: Marmorino Dorato, Corallo, Breccia, and Space. The Dorato and Corallo versions, characterized by their light yellow and antique pink colors respectively, are obtained by adding marble dust. Breccia, with its beige color, is obtained by adding river sand. Space represents a contemporary version of this classic product and is obtained by adding micro glimmer to the mixture. With Marmorino Antico, we intend to recall the ancient charm of Venetian architecture, a source of inspiration for the construction of prestigious buildings, including the White House in Washington. As with the works of Palladio, where the rhythm of the architecture resonates like a symphony, Marmorino Antico becomes music, absolute and timeless.